All right. Hey guys, it is your girl, Purely Janice in the flesh. Okay, today I am giving you guys fresh trim. I'm giving you the fro. I'm giving Diana Ross. Okay, like I'm loving it. I'm giving you all natural. Like this is as natural as it gets, and I still look bomb. Like if I do say so myself. Let's just. Anyways, let me stop. How are we doing? How are we feeling? Are we okay? Are we mentally stable? Are we eating? Are we gaining that weight? Are we losing that weight if that's what we're doing? Let me stop. I hope you guys are all feeling amazing. I just finished the semester, so I am doing great. I finally have free time and I don't know how to act, sweethearts. But anyways, today we're going to be trying the distressed butterfly locks. This is something that I have never tried before, so I'm attempting it on camera for you guys, and hopefully it turns out right. Okay, I have been cleaning all day, so we're going to skip the little introduction, all this talking. We're just going to slide right past it and get right into the video. So if butterfly locks sound like something that you want to do, and if you liked the clip that I probably am going to insert before this video and how it looked on me, and you want to try it for yourself, then go ahead, stick around and enjoy the show. Basically, we're going to start out with the materials that I have so you guys can know what you're going to need to get if you do attempt this style. So I have this rat tail comb. I love the rat tail combs that have the metal in because it just gets those parts extra straight. Like regular rat tail combs get the parts straight, but this is like, it cuts the hair like a butter knife. Okay, you get this one. Okay, get this one. A crochet needle, and then I have one of the most amazing detangling brushes ever because, you know, we gotta get through these kinks. Okay, and then I have some eco styler gel for my roots and for when I'm braiding the hair. And then I have this Moisture Miracle coconut and I don't know English right now, but this B word oil, and this is a hydrating and strengthening leave-in cream. It smells amazing, and it honestly really moisturizes my hair. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but my hair is glistening. Okay, I did put some oil in there, but this is what really did the trick. I've been putting this in under my wig installs, and it honestly has just been perfect. Okay, and then we're gonna get some of this Shine and Jam conditioning gel. This is literally the best gel ever, especially if you have like hair that likes to poof up after a while. I'm pretty sure this has water in it, so you don't want to just use this, the eco styler gel. Plus this gives like a better hold, but this actually works really well, so make sure you have some of this. Because my hair is two different colors, I got two different styles, and this is, oh my god, are these crochet? Yo, I think I got the wrong ones. Did I get the wrong? Oh, okay, no. Okay. I got so scared for a second. Okay, but anyways, I got this Free Tress Sparkling Curl Hair in 18 inches. And this is in 613, which is the closest thing that I can get to my type of blonde. And then I got this Water Wave 22-inch hair in number 4. And this is also the Free Tress braiding hair. So if you have blonde and black hair like me, I would suggest getting these two. And again, 22-inch and 18 inches aren't that far apart. And the way that I plan on installing this, it honestly won't really matter that they're two different lengths, because I'm going to kind of mix them to where you can't tell. So yeah, these were both $6.99 each. All together with the crochet needle, I spent about $60. Hopefully it turns out the way I envisioned it, because the way I envisioned it in my head, sis looks bomb. Okay, sis is giving models, sis is giving like blown away, sis is giving showstopper. Okay, and I'm hoping that it gives what it's giving in my head, because it has to. Okay, I'm gonna start braiding my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and we're going to start to install the twists. See you in just a second. This is how my hair looked after I put in the braids, giving very much Set It Off, very much Cleo Menza, okay? But basically there are about 40, there are 38 braids in my hair. So as long as you have around 30 to 40 braids, to me, that's the perfect amount. And these are nice and crisp and perfect. So for the top half of my hair, I took 2 pieces of the 613 hair, mixed it with a half piece of the number 4 hair, and then I blended those together to get that kind of blended and mixed look. And in the back, I did the opposite by taking 2 of the number 4 water wave hair and mixing that with one full 613 piece. This is probably one of the easiest parts. All you do is pull the hair taut with your 2 fingers so that it goes on the hook with no flyaways. Close the crochet hook, pull it through. And for this method, you're going to pull the braid through the hair and then pull the actual weave until it's nice and tight. There is another method that I use that I like a little bit better. So if this is something that doesn't work for you, I have another method later on in the video. Then I like to take 1 piece of black hair because my roots are black, and take it and twirl it around the braid mixed with the rest of the hair. And that's how I start off my locks. About 1/4 of the way down, I do take the majority of the blonde hair mixed with the black and wrap it around the braid and then continue going down. Right now, I'm just going to focus on this part of the lock. I'm not going to go on to how to get the distressed look just yet because the top of the lock and the root is just as important. So watch this, see kind of how I'm doing it because I'm so bad at explaining. And yeah. So, like I said, once you're about halfway down, you can start doing the distressed look of the lock. So, as you can see, I am still wrapping a little tightly, but I'm loosening up my grip just a little bit. And then once you're about halfway down, you can really get messy with it. I would just say be as loose as possible when you're wrapping it, especially on your way back up the lock. This is when that distressed looks come into place, okay? Literally wrap as loosely and as messily as possible, and you'll get those nice little curls that are sticking out. You'll get cute little knots. It just all pans out. This is the second attachment method that I was telling you guys about. Instead of pulling the braid through, you're actually going to pull the crochet hair through. And I just think this allows for you to wrap the lock around your hair at the root much tighter than the other strategy allows you to. And I don't know, it just makes it look so much better. As you guys can see, I'm going in very loosely, just kind of being messy and having fun with it. This definitely isn't a style where you need to like make sure everything is perfect, which is what I love about it. And then once you get to the bottom, you're going to twist and wrap up almost as if you're like twisting a pretzel is the way that I would explain it. And then I like to wrap the hair around that twist made at the bottom 2 or 3 times just to secure it so it won't unravel, and then go up 2 or 3 times a little bit tightly, and then continue again with that distressed look. I wrap the hair up until I can't wrap it upwards anymore, which usually gets me about 1/4 of the way down from my root, which is great because again, you get that distressed, feathered, knotted look all over, and it just makes for a really nice end result. That's about it for the style. Super easy, super simple. Hopefully I explained this well enough for you guys. If not, don't be afraid to leave me any questions that you may have in the comment section. All right, you guys, this right here is the finished look. What are we thinking? I'm giving you guys Rihanna. I'm giving you distress, yet the best. Like, who is she? Who is this? Like, I'm not gonna lie. When I first finished these, I literally wanted to take them down the next second. I was so disgusted. They honestly just didn't look right to me. It's actually been a week since I've had these in, since the initial filming. So it's actually kind of better that I decided to wait and kind of feel these out before making the second half and just turning this into like a fail video, because one, you guys can see how these hold up after a short period of time, and two, I've had a lot of time to kind of feel these out, get a couple styles in, so I can give you guys even more styles and ways to manipulate these. So if you don't like the way they turn out initially, you have other options rather than just taking them down and wasting your hard time, energy, effort, work, etc. Okay, a couple things that I would change in doing these next time is towards the root. You really have to wrap the hair around the root of the braid very tightly, or else it's ultimately going to come down. You definitely want to make sure you tighten that hair around the braid as tight as you can, and then continue to go down and only start loosening up your grip once you get to the middle. I stopped like a fourth of the way down the braid, and that was another mistake, because when I do manipulate my hair and put it in buns or in ponytails, it just starts to loosen up as I put them in different directions and kind of push and pull them in different ways. Other than that, I think these turned out great. I'm in love with them. I've gotten so many compliments, and that honestly boosted my confidence even more, because at first I was not confident in the hairstyle, but after I got a few compliments and I was going out, everybody was telling me my hair was cute and unique. So baby girl was feeling herself. Okay, like, really? Me? This looks good? Like, okay, Susan, thank you. But don't leave just yet. There's going to be a little snippet at the end of the video where I show you guys different styles and looks that you can do with this, because there are tons of ways to manipulate it. And honestly, this is so versatile. I don't even want to take them out, y'all. Like, ooh, it's just so fun to, like, I don't know, come up with different styles and new looks for the day with the same hairstyle. So definitely stick around if you want to see that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever y'all gotta do, okay? And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.